what I'm talking about. Wait! Okay now.
Hit it, boy.
Get ready to hit the slopes with us as we take on Flagstaff, Arizona on my snowboard and her skis. I'll be attempting to finally nail those turns. Will I succeed?
I'm not ready for this.
You'll have to watch to find out. But that's not all. We'll be checking out the cool stuff Snowbowl has to offer, from the amazing runs to the delicious food. And we'll give you the lowdown on the pros and cons of making Snowbowl your go-to skiing destination.
Where we're going, Antonito?
We're going to Snowbowl!
I think every hour video will be about some kind of crowds.
Tomorrow, skiing, snowboarding.
There.
It's happening.
We have tickets. Yes. You ready?
We're ready to go. It's cold.
You want to do holding hand?
This is horrible. Tickets all the way up there. I guess I have to go all the way up there. Tomorrow, we're shredding the slopes. I barely know how to snowboard, but we're here. We're gonna try to get some hot chocolate right now. Maybe a beer. A little chilly for a beer though. No luck?
We're closing.
So, no hot chocolate for Chica Chica?
No.
Wow, great technique.
And I'm so excited. I cannot hide it.
Ow! Is that Instagram enough?
Antonio, are you happy? Doo-doo-doo.
I'm very happy.
13. And it's freezing. Doo-doo-doo. And it's freezing. Doo-doo-doo. New boots, new snowboard, same old great attitude.
Damn it. I had a stupid GoPro there, so.
Ha! I did it.
After many hours of trying, we figured out how to put our new gear on. Antonio now is fighting with second boot.
I can do it. Hello, snowboard.
This baby needs to lose virginity today. No scratches, no nothing.
Waiting for my class.
Turns?
You going here?
Yep.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Danny.
Antonio.
Antonio, good to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
You've been snowboarding before?
Right. Couple of times. Now I wanna be able to link my turns.
That's what you want to work on?
I would love to. The first class I took was a group class with Danny, the instructor at Snowbowl. It was definitely a great experience,
Okay, Antonito. He's trying, that's good.
and she was able to immediately help me achieve my goal for that weekend on my first day, which was linking my turns.
Antonio's linking turns! Yay! Oh my god, so cool!
Although I didn't look like a pro and my movements were slow and stiff at that stage, I was thrilled with the progress I had made on the slopes on my first day. I was very excited to keep building on that progress over the next few days.
One iced coffee for my snowboarder.
Whoa, it is nice. Day number 1, I took my class and I actually linked my turns.
Yeah, you were doing really good. I was watching you at the beginning. You were struggling to click your new system, but you figured it out. And 3 hours later, we were having lunch, and Antonio was like all about, I am snowboarder.
I wouldn't say a snowboarder, but I've heard that once you link your turns, that's kind of like the big turning point.
That's entry point to snowboarding.
Right.
world. Today was so packed.
Lots of people.
Tomorrow is Monday, so we hope we will have a little more space.
Yeah, hopefully tomorrow there won't be a lot of people. Tomorrow is Monday, we're gonna be here on Monday, and
It's awesome that you were saying exactly what I just did.
I wasn't listening.
Typical. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
What a great fucking day.
You need to open the door. That's how you get in the house. Got it.
She's a little crazy, but we love
Just
her.
a little.
We do love her, and we're planning on keeping her around.
Yay! I was nervous about that.
What?
The sun goes.
Oh yeah, that looks nice. We love it here, right?
Yeah, we love it here.
We are lucky because we have this amazing Airbnb, which is at the very bottom of the mountain. So you basically need 20 minutes to get up there. Pros and cons of Snowbowl Arizona. You have a booger. You wanna blow your nose?
Sorry, YouTubes.
If you come to Snowbowl to snowboard or to ski, and if you're learning and it's your first time, book some lessons. They have great instructors. I did the very first class for beginners.
Antonio and 6 years old.
Yeah, I was the only adult. It was great.
They have wide range of classes. You can book very beginning class. That's included in your cost in your ski lift ticket. And whatever is on the top of it, you will have to pay and book it ahead because it's booked usually quite quickly.
Day number 2, snowboarding / skiing. It's cold, but it's beautiful. Check it out.
What the hell?
What?
They're so big.
Yeah, they're huge. Have fun, and we'll see you in a couple hours.
See you later, love you.
Bye, love you too. The second day at Snowbowl, I decided to book a private class with Danny, and in my opinion, it made a huge difference in my improvement. I definitely felt more loose and more relaxed. She was able to give me a couple of tips to improve my turning, all my heels and my toes, which made me feel much comfortable, and I was actually able to enjoy going down the slope. By the end of the day, I was feeling relaxed, loose, and very confident. That was really good though. Yeah. Maybe a little too confident.
Nobody's here. Nobody is here. This is heaven. I am so happy. I'm so grateful that I can do this. Oh my God, love is good.
Go, chica chica! Nice! That was very cool.
It's very nice.
You're such a savage.
I want more.
Please be careful.
I'm careful.
Another beautiful day in Snowbowl, Arizona. Just finished my class. It was good. Thank you.
One amber for chica chica. Cheers.
Cheers. After lunch, we decided to hit the slopes one more time and do a few more runs. Some were good, some were bad. Either way, it was a lot of fun.
Snowboarders waiting. Antonio.
Lots of people. I was doing so well.
You did.
I'm going back.
Up and again.
Yeah.
Yes, you will have this on camera.
Oh, thanks a lot. Yeah, Jesus. I'm going. That was Chica Chica shredding the slopes, showing everybody how it's done. This place is awesome, it's beautiful. The only problem is like it's so packed with people, and I feel like that as a beginner it stresses me out more because I'm afraid of not only hitting somebody but also getting hit by somebody else because a lot of people don't know what they're doing, including myself. So it's stressful, but you know, you roll with the punches. What can you do? This is the best feeling after wearing a helmet all day. Right. Day 2 of snowboarding / skiing. I feel like I'm better than what I was yesterday and I'm very happy. It's been a great day. Today I booked a private class and it was totally worth it. The level of progression is so much faster when you have somebody who is like pinpointing your mistakes and what you're doing wrong so you can immediately correct instead of developing really bad habits for a long time. And yeah, she was great. Her name was Dani at Snowbowl. We recommend her. She was great.
They have also classes for teeny tiny kids. It's so cute. They have also wide range of runs all the way to black diamonds. So whatever you like, including open terrain. If there's snow, there's a lot of adventure ready for you.
What are those? Oh, dogs. I thought it was a wolf.
We are there every day at 9 a.m. when they open lifts, and we are ready to go because first 2 hours are the best. The light is awesome, the snow is great and fast. That's what I like.
And not a lot of people.
And then you have restaurants, you have bars, you have lockers, you have restrooms. You will order your food online on the phone when you are on the lift and you can just pick it up, which is great. And wide range of beer, good one. Don't drink and ski.
Maybe just one. So pizza and a cold beer. Oh, it's so good. Last day, it's been a great weekend. It snowed last night, so check these out. Maybe not.
Day 3, amount of people. Close to nothing.
You guys can go first. Oh, good? Okay. Hi.
Morning. Thank you.
Oh, you good?
Yeah.
That's it?
No.
Oh, thank God. So it's not that slope. That's not where we're going right now.
No.
Okay, thank you. Oh, so we're going on this side, on the right side. That's not that bad. Holy shit.
You can do it.
Okay. Let's go. So here's where things started to go south a little bit for me. I was feeling a little too overconfident and I decided to try a blue slope or an intermediate slope. Ah, it's so scary. Which turned out to be way steeper than the other slopes that I was used to ride on.
Do you want to do it again?
No, this is way too steep for me.
I know.
So I pretty much freaked out. I got scared going down the slope and I didn't even want to try to link my turns. So I was just basically gliding down the mountain, struggling to stay up on my feet. I need to sit here for a second, my legs are like that.
Okay.
Fuck, I shouldn't have gone up there. That was a stupid idea. You can go, I'll go down there.
I'll wait for you.
No, you can go.
I'll wait for you down there.
Okay, sounds good. Not the best day today.
That's not true.
Not the best day today.
You didn't walk it. You did snowboard it all the way.
It was way above my comfort zone. Shouldn't have done that. Should have stayed on the other one. Oh.
He did well.
Despite a challenging last day on the slopes, the weekend as a whole was incredibly positive and we had a blast. If you're planning on going skiing or snowboarding in Flagstaff, Arizona, we definitely recommend Snowbowl. We had such a good time, I learned a lot, the instructors are great, and the slopes are a lot of fun. Do you have a favorite skiing resort that you would recommend to us visiting next? Please comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching and we'll see you guys on the next one.